See in question number 8, here one AP is given and the few terms of that AP are 11, 8, 5 and 2. In this AP, which term is the number negative 151? Means we have to find the position of the term. Position of the term means which term is there. So n we have to find out. Position of the term which number is negative 151, means it is 25th term or 26th term or 27. Okay, so that position we have to find out, means on which position this negative 151 term is there in this AP. Okay, so that position now we will find out. So we are taking first this AP. So 11, 8, 5 and 2, which is already given in the question. Now from this AP we will come to know about the two values. That two values are, first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 11 and the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is 8 and T1 is 11. So 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so we are having here two values, value of A 11 and the value of common difference D, it is negative 3. So from these two values we will come to know which position term is the minus 151. So we are writing this formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So that unknown term position we have to find out. So we don't know on which position this 151 negative 151 number is there or term is there. So for that unknown term we are taking Tn. So Tn is equal to negative 151. It is a general term. Now we are putting all the values. We are having Tn, we are having A as well as D, and n we will find out. So we will come to know on which position this minus 151 number is there in this given AP. So Tn is equal to, already given, it is minus 151 is equal to A is equal to 11 plus n we will find out and D is equal to minus 3. So say it is minus 3. Understood? Now you solve it. Minus 151 is equal to 11 plus now we are multiplying this n minus 1 by minus 3, but here n is positive and 3 is negative. So here we will get negative product, sorry. So here it is minus 3 into n minus 3n. Then next is minus 3 into minus 1, minus plus, 3 ones are 3. Okay, so you consider here it is negative 3n plus 3. See, minus 151 is equal to 11 and 3, both are positive, so they will add. 11 plus 3, 14, and here it is minus 3n. Now take this 14 to this side. So minus 151. Now 14 will subtract from 151. So minus 151 minus 14. By taking this side, 14 became negative. It is equal to minus 3n. As both the numbers are having similar sign, we have to add it. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6, and 1 will remain the same. And which sign we should give to the answer? It is a similar sign which is given for both the number, and it is negative. So negative 165 is equal to negative 3n. Now again from both the side minus sign will cancel. Then we will find the value of n. So n is equal to 165 divided by 3. Now this 165 and 3 both became positive, because the sign, similar sign, it is cancelled from both the side. So n is equal to, divide this 165 by 3. 3 5s are 15, 1 is remaining, na? Then we will divide to 15 again. 3 5s are 15. So the value of n is 55, means on which position this minus 151 we will get in this AP. It is on 55 position, means it is the 55 term. So say therefore answer right, T55 is equal to minus 151. In this way also you can write. Understood? See next question, question number 10. In an AP, 17 term is 7 more than the 10 term, then find the common difference. Here simply one condition is given, that is 17 term. It is 7 more than the 10 term. So we are applying this condition, say by using condition which is given in the question. We will get here 17 term is 7 more than the 10 term. So 17 term means T17 is equal to T10 plus 7, means 17 term is 7 more than the 10 term. Understood? Now we are writing its formula, that is T17. In place of n only we are putting now 17, and the formula will be like this: a plus 16d by subtracting 1 from 17, and here a plus 9d plus 7. Okay, now a from both the side will cancel, then 16d 9d take to this side, it will be negative 9d is equal to 7. Understood? What is difference between 16 and 9? It is 7. So 7d is equal to 7, then d is equal to, therefore say, therefore d is equal to 7 divided by 7, 1. Say therefore d is equal to 1. Understood? So by applying this condition which is given in the question, we got the value of the common difference. It is 1, and it is only asked in the question. So say therefore the common difference of an AP is is 1.